Welcome to the Journal Audit tutorial series, Ascarya's audit product for journal quality, integrity, and visibility inside ISNaDBiblio. This opening module explores the landing page, the fixed data pipeline, account tiers, and the two panels that open every audit. We also read the map of 15 result sections this series will walk through, using a single demonstration journal, Edusia. Welcome to the Journal Audit page, the space for auditing journal quality, integrity, and visibility inside ISNaDBiblio. The main heading names the three things under review: the journal's scope, its quality, and its integrity. The label above it is the method's promise, an evidence-based audit, meaning every finding comes with traceable data. Why cross-source? Because any single database can be wrong or stale. A claim only stands when several sources agree. Journal Audit compares OpenAlex, Crossref, Roar, and the journal's own website, then flags the gaps between them. For journal managers, it mirrors the journal's true state. For accreditation assessors, it is evidence free of self-reporting. The opening paragraph sums up the fixed flow. Journal records are built in sequence, starting from an OpenAlex poll. OpenAlex is the mandatory foundation because it is open and comprehensive. Automatic enrichment then fills metadata gaps. An OJS export is optional, and your manual corrections always rank highest. The audit is computed from the curated dataset. The box on the right of the hero shows your account tier together with its record limit. Free, Pro, and Pro Plus share the same flow. What differs is only the record limit and how deep the analysis opens. The Step 1 panel, Pick a Journal, is the doorway to every audit. Its search box accepts a journal name, an ISSN, or an OpenAlex source ID. The search button asks OpenAlex directly, so the result is a canonical journal identity rather than a guess. The Step 2 panel, Saved Audits, holds every audit you have ever created. Audits persist. Once the data is pulled, the report can be reopened at any time without pulling it again. The small Rotate button at the panel head reloads this list. The audit results will unfold across 15 tiered sections, from the data foundation up to editorial judgment. The free tier covers the overview, data sources, records, and metadata quality, the foundation every analysis rests on. The Pro tier opens publishing, visibility, the citation audits, diversity, integrity, scope, and the anomaly register. Pro Plus closes it with evidence verification. A human reweighs every finding the machine surfaced. This series explores all of it, panel by panel, using one demonstration journal, Edusia. In the next module, we look Edusia up by ISSN and configure its first audit. You now know how Journal Audit thinks: cross-source evidence, a curated dataset, then tiered analysis. In the next module, we look up Edusia by ISSN and configure its very first audit from scratch. See you in Module 01.